everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the two most affordable brush shades which I have recently purchased from Amazon. So in this video I am going to share with you all the details about these two brush shades and how these are, and the prices and all the other details will be in this video. And I am going to share with you all the individual brushes of these two sets and how they are and whether you should buy it or not, and all the other details. So if you are interested to know all that, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, makeup brushes are something which are like really expensive, and normally you don't get some cheap and good makeup brushes. So the more cheaper the brushes are, the quality decreases. So I thought that I should give the affordable brush sets a try this time, and in Amazon and Flipkart there are a lots of variety of brush sets, and this time I have picked these two sets to show you guys. And the first one I am going to talk about is this one. So this is from a brand called Zurain, and these retail for 590 rupees only, and I have received these brushes in a even more good discount, that is 349 rupees only for these 7 amazing brushes. As you can see, it has 7 brushes, and these 3 are the eye makeup brushes, and these 4 are face makeup brushes. So let me now show you all the brushes one by one, and let me talk about how they works. So I have used all of these brushes to give a proper review, and I'm just sharing my experience, guys. So some of their brushes are like really good, and some are like okay type, and some are like not at all okay. So I'm going to share with you my honest experience. So first I'm going to talk about these 3 eye makeup brushes. And these are the unicorn brushes, and look at this, guys, these are so freaking beautiful. Can you see? These brushes looks so nice. The color of the body of this brush is really very nice. You get a golden top half, and at the bottom you get a very nice blue sky and pink color design. This is so nice. If you keep these brush shades in your vanity will look amazing automatically. But this works also really nice. So at first you are getting a angled eye makeup brush. So this is good for applying eyeliner at your lower lash line, and also for your eyebrows if you are into eyebrows. And I personally don't do eyebrows, so this is for that. And sometimes I use it to apply eyeliner at my lower lash line, or to just smudge it out, and it works really perfectly, and it is not very hard. I will not say that it is extremely soft, but it is not that hard to hurt your skin. So the next brush is a fluffy blending brush. So this is really very soft and fluffy, and this is very good to blend your eyeshadow at your crease and your transition area. I really love this one. And then you are getting a very domed shape brush. So this is very good to apply eyeshadow on your outer corners, and also to smudge out your lower lash line. I really love these 3 eye makeup brushes. Now let's talk about the 4 face brushes we have. So these are the 4 face brushes. So the first one is a flat kind of foundation brush, which I don't use actually, because I don't like this flat kind of foundation brush. I normally prefer beauty blender over brushes, to be honest. But if I have to choose for foundation brushes, I will prefer something like buffing brush or stippling brush. But unfortunately you don't have any buffing or stippling brush here, but you get this flat foundation brush. This is not very soft, like it's okay type, and I actually didn't use it, so I can't tell you how it does its job. So the second face makeup brush is a contour brush, and this is really very nice, guys. As you can see, I have already used this, this is a little bit dirty. So this is really very nice to apply your contour and also blend it out, and it really fits into your this area. So this is really very nice. I really love this one, and this is even soft and also very easy to blend and use. Next you get a blush brush here. So it is very nice to apply blushes. So this is really very fluffy, and I have applied blush with this, and I have used this couple of times and it really works very nice on me. I really love this one, and at this price point you are getting 7 brushes and those are really very good. So why not, guys? And at last you are getting a big fluffy powder brush. So this is very nice to set your whole face, or even if you do your eye makeup after doing your base and you get a little bit of fallout, then it is really very nice to dust off the excess from your eyes like this and this. I really love this one for that. And this is really very soft, guys. And this is such a big and fluffy brush, as you can see. But guys, these brushes are really multi-purpose. Let me tell you why. Because if you are angry of someone and if you want to kill him or her, then you can surely use one of these brushes. I'm not kidding, guys. Just look at this. How sharp the ends are. It is so sharp. Let me show you one by one. Look at this. This is extremely sharp to hurt yourself or hurt someone else. I mean, what is this, guys? Why these ends are so sharp? I mean, what is this, guys? Why are these ends so sharp like this? You can hurt yourself. This should not be like this at all. This is so hard. Look at this tip. I don't know how the camera is catching it or not. This is extremely sharp. You have to be really very careful while using these brushes. So guys, I really love all these brushes except for the foundation brush because I didn't use it. So that's why only. But the rest of the 6 brushes are really very nice and very useful. And at this price point, these are so good, guys. But except for this ends, these ends are really very scary, and you have to be very very careful if you are going to use these brushes or buy this one. Please guys, you have to be really very careful. And I have just keep these brushes as it is to give this review. But after I have done with this review, I will have to do something with the ends. Maybe I will rub these ends of the brushes in some cement or some brick or any other thing to just smoothen up this sharp end, because these are really very scary. So the next brush shade which I am going to talk about, guys, is this. So this is from a brand called Start Makers, and these are 10 pieces of eye makeup brush shade with a fan brush. So these 9 are all eye brushes, and you get only one face brush which is a fan brush or a highlighting brush, as you can say. And look at these, guys. These are even more beautiful than the unicorn ones, and these are the mermaid ones. These are mermaid design brushes, and these come in a Ziploc packaging like this, which I really like. So guys, this 10 piece of brush set also retails for 599 rupees, and I got it on a discount at 419 rupees only. And 419 rupees for a 10 piece of brushes are really very affordable. I mean, how cheaper you can expect than this. So let me now talk about the brushes one by one. So I have already used these brushes as the previous ones, and I'm quite impressed, guys, because these are so affordable, and at that price point they are doing a very good job. I will not say that they are doing a very amazing job. No, that's not true, but they are like a decent kind of brush. So you are getting a fluffy brush here. And just look at the body of this brush, guys. This is so cute and so stunning. This will enhance the look of your vanity, guys, trust me. These are so nice, guys. And this is a fluffy brush, and as you can see, I have already used this brush as it is dirty now. So this is a fluffy brush to blend your eyeshadows. Then you get a flat top brush to apply eyeliner or smoke out your lower lash line. Next you are getting a fluffy brush with a flat top, and the first fluffy brush which I have showed you is has a little bit rounded top, and this one has a flat top. So these are for blending your eyeshadows. Then you are getting a very flat shader kind of brush. So this is to pack on color on your lid. So next you are getting a fluffy brush, but this is a angled fluffy brush. As you can see, this has a little bit angled shape, and this is also very good to blend your eyeshadow, especially at your outer corner, because of this angled shape. Then you are getting a kind of flat blending brush. This is not fluffy, this is flat. I think the camera is picking it rightly. So this is flat. I don't like this brush very much. The previous ones are okay, but I didn't like this one. So next you are getting a dome shape brush. So this is really nice. As you can see, I have used it today only, and this is really very nice to blend your eyeshadow at your inner corners and even on your outer corners. Next you are getting again a bigger shader brush to pack on your eyeshadows. So the previous shader brush which I have shown you is a smaller version of this brush. This is slightly bigger than the previous one. So this is for packing your eyeshadow on your lid. Then you are getting an angled brush. So this brush you can use for your eyebrows, to fill your eyebrows, and even to smoke out your lower lash line. So guys, those are the eye makeup brushes, and at last you are getting a fan brush. So this is also very nice, I like it. So guys, that was the set of the 10 brushes from Start Makers, the mermaid brushes. These are so beautiful, and if you calculate, actually one brush cost you 40 rupees only, which is really affordable, guys. Because normally if you are going to buy some good eye makeup brushes from Color Bar or some Pack or some other brands, so you have to pay at least 300 to 500 rupees for one brush, and these are for just 40 rupees. So what more can you expect, guys? One thing I want to mention, that you have to be little more patient while using these brushes, because it takes a little bit more time than the expensive ones, but it's completely okay, guys, because these are so affordable. These are only 40 rupees each. So you can surely give this a try if you are a beginner or a college going girl, and if you are just starting with your eye makeup looks. So you can surely give it a try, and if you don't want to invest in those expensive brushes, these two brush shades are really a good option for you. So if you buy these two brush shades, you will get all the face makeup brushes you need and all the eye makeup brushes you need. So you are getting a fan brush with this brush shade, and you are getting a powder brush and a contour brush and a blush brush with this brush shade, and also a flat foundation brush. So you can surely give these two brush shade a try. So this is for just 400 rupees, 419 rupees I bought this on, and this is for just 340 rupees, 49 rupees actually. So you can surely give this two brush shades a try. And if you don't like to use this flat foundation brush from this unicorn set, you can buy a beauty blender. So if you have a good beauty blender and these two affordable brush sets, then you are sorted, guys. So if you are a beginner, then these two brush sets are a really good option for you. So please give it a try if you want, and I will share the link of these brushes in my description box below. So if you want, you can go and check it out, and if you like it, you can surely buy it, or even if you don't like it, just have a look. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such useful videos, you will get notified. And also share this video with your friends, and do let me know in the comment section below what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestion for my videos, please feel free to share that. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.